Hi guys! In this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best compound bow-related products under $300 that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 4, we have the Composite Bow and Arrow Release by Xiaojun. This thumb release aid is designed for compound bow users, offering flexibility with its 3 or 4 finger grip options. The adjustable sensitivity, made possible with the included wrench, allows for a tailored shooting experience. The 360-degree rotating clamp head reduces wear on your bowstring and improves overall accuracy, which is particularly useful for hunters and competitive shooters. The build quality is impressive, with an aluminum alloy construction that's both lightweight and durable. Its compact size makes it easy to carry in your hunting pack. The thumb button features a concave convex design, ensuring a secure grip even during prolonged use. However, while it claims to support up to 70 pounds, some users have reported that the sensitivity adjustment takes a bit of trial and error to get right. This release aid is best suited for intermediate archers looking for a reliable and versatile accessory to improve their shooting accuracy. The pros include its customizable features and robust design, while the cons are the learning curve for adjusting sensitivity and the slightly lower user rating compared to other products on this list. Coming in at number 3 is the Archery Bow Scale by Aho Soutley. This digital scale is a versatile tool for measuring the draw weight of your compound or recurve bow. With a maximum capacity of 110 pounds, 50 kilograms, and high-precision strain sensors, it's an excellent choice for tuning your bow with precision. The LCD display offers 4 measurement units: G, Oz, kilograms, and pounds, making it convenient for users in different regions. The design is ergonomic and portable, featuring a handheld form factor. It's also equipped with both calculation and peak lock functions, which are particularly useful when measuring peak draw weights. However, users should handle it carefully, as the product warns against quick pulling or releasing of the bow during testing. Ideal for both bow maintenance and general use, this scale offers great value for its functionality. It's a must-have for archers who want to fine-tune their equipment for maximum performance. The main pros are its precision and versatility, while the cons include the need for careful handling and the lack of a listed price, which may deter budget-conscious buyers. At number 2, we have the Bear Archery Brave Bow Set, a fantastic introductory bow for young archers aged 8 to 12. This 26-inch axle-to-axle bow comes with everything your child needs to get started, including 2 safety glass arrows, a whisker biscuit rest, a 1-pin sight, and finger rollers. The whisker biscuit, known as the safest rest in the industry, is a standout feature and adds significant value to the set. The bow's continuous draw weight of up to 25 pounds and draw length of up to 19.5 inches makes it suitable for a wide range of young users. The aluminum construction ensures durability while keeping the bow lightweight enough for kids to handle comfortably. However, the included arrows are more suited for practice than serious shooting, so you may want to invest in higher quality arrows down the road. This bow set is an excellent choice for parents looking to introduce their kids to the world of archery. Its ease of use and safety features make it a top pick for beginners. The pros include its comprehensive accessory package and sturdy build, while the cons are the limited arrow quality and the lack of a listed price. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.